Hello everyone, welcome to Sindhu Vlogs. Today's video, I wanted to share to you all this art I had made, which made me go through many feelings that I'm going to express to you all. So, here I go. We, the mothers, cannot be good or bad. We, the mothers, are just mothers. We learn, we copy from everyone, we try to be the best one for the little ones, but not for the world. We don't want to be certified as good mothers, we just want to be a mother of the little one. A mother wants her child to see the best mother for herself, but the same mother wants this world to look at her like a woman. We, the mothers, learn to be a mom when we were given a baby toy, when we were just 3 to 4 years old. We call the toy our baby. We take care of it like a baby. We, the mothers, in this world, are treated as God, which is very scary. Every mother wants to meet the expectations set by everyone. Deep inside, she knows she is a woman, she is a human, she has her limitations, she cannot be a god. She wants this world to be liberal. God has made us the creators of child, a blessing for lifetime. We, the mothers, are real, loyal, and true to ourselves. We give love, we take love. We get tired, we ask space, we feel guilty, we feel responsible for anything that happens to our child. We grow old, we don't want to. We do have insecurities, we do have concern. We want our child to be safe, to be secured, to be happy, to be independent. We want them to fly, but still, we pray for them. We will be old. We must be taken care of one day, maybe by our own child. One last thing that we will remember forever, the memories that we have with our child, the memories where we have been through from being a girl, changing to a woman, then to a mother. We only wish wherever they are, we are able to see them. We are able to ensure that we love them. We, the mothers, are not perfect. We have our own lessons. We have our own hacks to be a mother. We cheat. We take shortcuts. Yet again, we feel guilty. I would like to say this to every mother. It is okay to not be perfect. It is okay sometimes to be tired. It is okay to take a break. We still love our children. We fall, we lose, we stand up again, we fight. And this is going to be a never-ending story because Once you're a mother, you are a mother forever. We can't give up. To all the women who played an important role in our lives, our mother, our grandmother, our sister, our mother-in-law, our sister-in-laws, everyone who has given their part, thank you. Dedicating this to my mother, my grandmother, and my daughter. I am nothing without you all.